Since the time of the earliest tools and the mastery of fire, technological progress has been an integral part of being human. By utilizing technology, we have surpassed the most efficient and capable life forms on our planet. But in a world of ever-increasing complexity and finite resources, we are now presented with a whole new set of challenges. How will the next industrial revolution change the way we live? And quite possibly, what it means to be human. Throughout history, there have been periods of remarkable innovation. The first industrial revolution created new goods and new jobs through the introduction of manufacturing. The power of water, iron, and steam helped bring manufacturing out of our homes and into a larger world. Cities and opportunities grew. In the second, we forged better materials such as steel, harnessed the power of oil through internal combustion engines, and utilized electricity through generators and transmission lines. We catalyzed manufacturing and expanded what was possible. After the digital revolution, we possess computers so small they can fit in our pockets, and they're 1,000,000 times cheaper and 1,000,000 times more powerful than the best supercomputer only 25 years ago. Connecting through the internet has encouraged an incredible library of knowledge, setting the stage for the greatest revolution yet. So what is the fourth industrial revolution? Industry 4.0 involves a range of new technologies that are fusing the physical, digital, and biological worlds and impacting all disciplines, economies, and industries. Central to this revolution are emerging technology breakthroughs in areas such as robotics, artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, autonomous vehicles, nanotechnology, and 3D printing. These technologies can improve lives, create new jobs, make goods cheaper and better, and impact the world in ways we have yet to imagine. While it's remarkable to see the current trends, it's important to remember that technological progress is not simply guaranteed. It requires people to make it happen. This is your opportunity to get involved. This revolution does not happen without your help. Now is the time to be imagining. Now is the time to be creating. Now is the time to be a manufacturer.
Good evening, and welcome to our 2021 What's So Cool About Manufacturing Video Contest Award Ceremony. We are extremely excited to have all of you joining us this evening, whether you're students, parents, teachers, or just friends from the community. We're extremely excited to share all of the hard work the students have put into the contest this year. And myself and the rest of our team will be your MCs for this evening. My name is Scott Dietz. I'm the Director of STEM Initiatives here at Catalyst Connection. If you and your family are watching together and celebrating the winners tonight, we'd love to have you share some photos with us via Instagram by tagging us at Catalyst_workforce or via Facebook at Catalyst Connection. We are here tonight to celebrate manufacturing, but we're also here to celebrate the amazing work of the students from across our region during this very challenging time. It all started back in October when we gathered together online for our virtual teacher training. We had partners from PCTV 21 and WQED that joined us to share insights on video production with our teachers. And since that time, it was the teachers from the schools listed on the screen who have led their teams of students, many outside of the standard class responsibilities, kept the teams on task, on time, and reminded the students about the wealth of knowledge they were gaining through this journey. Let's thank all of our teachers for all of their hard work. This is now our 6th year of the Student Video Contest here in southwestern Pennsylvania. This year, despite a global pandemic and schools that have been shut down, fully virtual, or on a hybrid learning schedule, 18 schools have participated in this year's program. Several other regions around the state have also created videos, and you can see all of those videos and all of the past videos created by students at what'ssocool.org. Let's hear from one of our state officials, Secretary Stavan from the Pennsylvania Department of Community and Economic Development.
Hi, everyone. I'm Dennis Stavan, the Secretary of the Department of Community and Economic Development for the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. My job is to go around to Pennsylvania and try to help manufacturing companies grow their business and also try to show young people why these manufacturing jobs are so great. But honestly, I think all of you do a much better job than I do. You see firsthand how rewarding these jobs are, how much pride the workers have in their careers, and you put it on video form and broadcast it out to the world. The The video you're watching right now is sadly the best I can do in terms of making videos. So maybe I should learn a thing or two from the videos you all have made. I've been watching these What's So Cool About Manufacturing contest videos for several years now, and every year they just keep getting better and better, and this year is no different. I'm blown away by the creativity, the passion, and the technical skills you all demonstrate in your videos. You should all be proud of yourselves for what you've accomplished, especially with all the craziness this last year, making it more difficult than ever to achieve what you did. So I encourage you to keep it up, stay engaged, and remember what you found so cool about manufacturing when you're making these videos. You're all going to have great careers, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.
This is a contest, and we will announce some winners tonight, but it's also about much more than just a contest. So for the students here tonight, we just want to let you know that we think you are all winners. You've had a great chance to learn a lot through this experience and express yourselves through the creative medium of videography. You've been exposed to companies and careers that likely you didn't even know existed. And you've had some time to maybe even make some new friends throughout this experience. And also you've helped us to share the diverse mix of manufacturers we have in the region to tens of thousands of individuals. There are a wide array of careers available in manufacturing today. In fact, most of the companies we work with are hiring. And these kind of opportunities really give you a great opportunity to learn about manufacturing and learn about those career pathways, which is actually one of the reasons we brought Nate on board the Catalyst team.
Thanks, Scott. My name is Nate Broadus. I'm the workforce specialist at Catalyst Connection. And in my role, I work to connect job seekers and companies with training opportunities, career awareness in manufacturing, and then hopefully I can match those job seekers and companies together. So, some of the careers that Scott mentioned, everything from being a welder to a machinist to, a quality assurance analyst to being an engineer, are all things that are part of the manufacturing career pipeline.
So we have over 2,500 manufacturing companies across 12 counties of southwestern Pennsylvania. Those companies are making food, they're making metal products, they're making things for the Department of Defense.
Robots.
Yeah, all kinds of cool stuff. I mean, it's such a wide array of manufacturing companies and the types of things they're making in our region. So we encourage you to explore those careers further. To learn more about resources for training, information on high demand occupations, and to see a map of local manufacturers, please visit our website at makingyourfuture.org. We'd like to take a quick moment to also thank our sponsors for this year's program, the Benedum Foundation, Chevron, Energy Transfer, and Arconic for all of their support in making this program possible. And lastly, we'd like to thank the companies involved in the program who connected with the students and despite challenges of their own over the past year, continued to support this very important regional program.
Hi, I'm Yana Kosenko, Workforce Specialist at Catalyst Connection and also a coordinator of the What's So Cool contest. Let's celebrate all that the students have done this year by watching a compilation video. And when you see your school or company, feel free to cheer on from your couches.
Now on to what you've all been patiently waiting for. Let's announce the winners. In the coming weeks, we'll also be delivering all of the awards to your schools. Our first award for this evening is for exceptional use of technology. This award took into consideration the use of creative technical elements, green screens, etc., to create an interesting story. The second place winner for this category is Moon Team 1 with Ardex Americas. And our first place winner for exceptional use of technology goes to Peters Township with DMI Companies. Let's watch their videos.
A package from Earth, we don't get these too often. A bucket of chicken for my birthday. Wow. I have some flour for my cake.
Finn, I don't think that this is chicken. In fact, I don't think that any of this is food. We should contact Mission Control and find out.
Mission Control here. This is a package of products from Ardex, a manufacturing company. They have plans to start a plant there. Contact them directly with any questions.
I remember of stories of manufacturing from when I was on Earth. It was dirty and polluted. We better look into Ardex and see if it can make it better.
I remember fried chicken.
Ardex is the industry leader in technology solutions for flooring and tile and stone installation. So everything from the floor that you walk on to the floors in your bathroom, your kitchen, or car dealerships, anything that you stand on, that is what Ardex makes.
We do big projects, so like PPG Paints Arena would be a local one where we've been involved. Our Henry products, which are adhesive products, can be found in Home Depot, Lowe's. So the thing about manufacturing is that someone might think it's the old picture of a dirty steel mill or something like that. Our production facility is very clean, it's very automated. Also within manufacturing, you have to remember there are a lot of other opportunities.
What's really cool is I do everything from product videos and how-to videos to commercial and marketing videos. It's really neat that there's a lot of versatility in my job and a need for this.
I am an architectural specialist and national accounts representative. One of the things that I really enjoy about my job that I get to travel pretty much all over the US.
The best part about sales is competition. You don't win every time you go out there and try to sell something. I have a book of business. I have partners that I sell to, but at the same time, I'm responsible for expanding on those partnerships.
Wow, I guess manufacturing on Earth isn't as dirty as we thought.
I would like to go back and work at Ardex.
I think I should book a ticket.
Book me one too.
Manufacturing is cool.
Where's she at? Why are you dressed like a duck?
I wanted to blend in with all the other ducks.
We are here spying on DMI companies who make ductworks for homes and buildings. Even though they might sound the same, ducks and ducks are two very different things.
Our mission is to find out what's so cool about manufacturing. Now let's climb through the ducts here at DMI companies and see what we can find out.
My name is Steve Gerba, and I'm an automation engineer for DMI companies. Most people think that once you automate a plant, you remove workers. Rather than do that, we actually sent our employees out to be trained as technicians and specialists so they could service that equipment and keep, working on with the company.
Did you get the information we needed?
Yeah. Now let's check out Eric Kostlick's laser.
My name is Eric Kostlick. I'm the laser coordinator here at Duckmate Industries. I basically run a great big giant machine that cuts metal. Fortunately, it uses a laser to do it. So they provide employment for the 200 or so of us that work in this plant, and we have other plants throughout the country. We make products that everyone needs, even if they don't realize it.
Whoa, that was so cool. Luckily you get burned by the lasers.
Shh, keep it down, we can't blow our cover.
Now let's go see what project Jason Marr is working on.
My name is Jason Marr. My job title is Product Development and Manufacturing Engineer. My job entails a lot of inventing, a lot of using knowledge from past experience to build better, bigger equipment. I think one of the things I really look forward to, besides all the cool inventions or the different gadgets or things that I get to deal with, I consider everyone within this plant my friend or my family. And I think that's one of the best parts for me, is coming to work every day and being able to hang out with my friends and do these cool things with people I know, with friends, and you know, just I have a great time.
Now that we're making our way back, let's take some time to learn about real ducks. No, that's not such a good idea. Wait!
So our next award is for most creative. Wow, Hannah, over the course of 2020, it's been a little bit of a challenging year for schools. Thankfully, we have these wonderful virtual tools that they could utilize throughout the year. And despite those confines of being in this little square box and having to work with these virtual tools, I think they did a phenomenal job.
They definitely did. Amongst the interviews that they did virtually on this platform, the virtual tours, and collaborating with each other.
So we really appreciate all the flexibility of the students, the flexibilities of the companies, the creative ways in which they utilize these platforms to get the job done. Schools were really encouraged to think outside of the box, to be innovative, creative in a way which told the story about what's so cool about manufacturing while keeping it entertaining so that other young folks would want to sit in front of their screens after sitting in front of their screens for hours and hours and months to be able to watch their video and learn about manufacturing. The winning team exemplifies this creativity, both with humor and with connecting to the interests of the students that they were trying to pitch their message to. Our second place winner for most creative goes to Burl with Arch Cutting Tools. And our first place winner is Rochester with Schroeder Industries. Let's watch their video.
Zayna just asked if anyone wanted to play that imposter game for our manufacturing class. I guess I'll give it a try.
Looks like I'm a crewmate. Let's see what tasks I have to do dealing with manufacturing.
Jim Gray, the president of Arch Cutting Tools, Latrobe, we were able to react quick in the beginning, compete. We'd make tools literally faster than other companies could get the paperwork done.
That's pretty amazing. Let's see what else I can learn about manufacturing.
Arch Cutting Tools seems pretty cool. All right, let's go finish my tasks.
In one cutting tool and they did one swipe and it was done. We've held that for 20 some years now. We are known to turn around specials very quickly. And even taking that now with being a part of Arch, Latrobe has had the opportunity to create a program that's called Hot Shop to our premium customers, our distributors, that they have the luxury of us turning fast, quick turnaround, so they win and we win.
I heard something about the tool of the year. Let's go see what that is.
Tool of the year, we'll drill the hole, then it will ream the hole to size, a precision size, and then ream, and it'll push the tool down into that area.
Science acting a little sus.
As you're looking to your future, find what you love, find your passion at work today. And, you know, I think what makes it interesting to come to work is the next challenge. It's being creative, being a craftsman.
Cyan is definitely the imposter. We have to vote him out to win.
Oh, it's over already? I wonder if there's any other companies I can learn about. Now I know what's so cool about manufacturing. Thanks, Arch Cutting Tools.
Guys, we should play the new game that just came out.
What game?
You know, Among Us 2.0.
What's that?
It's a new game all about manufacturing careers.
Tell us more about it.
So one of our tasks is that you get to hunt for imposters.
What are the imposters?
They're people who work at certain industries, but they also try to steal their secrets from them about why their filters are so efficient and awesome.
Anything else?
Another task is that we get to figure out what's so cool about manufacturing.
Manufacturing? Cool.
That sounds a little sus to me. What does Schroeder Industries do anyway?
Let's go find out.
Schroeder Industries, a manufacturing company in the United States that has pioneered the technology and filter designs and filtering systems. They've been in business for over 73 years. Their filters clean out any particles that could damage fuel and hydraulic systems. In fact, their filters are so efficient and popular that Schroeder Industries is a huge partner in many different worldwide fields, including automotive, offshore drilling, construction, power generation, and more. Their products are even used by waste management in all of our local Beaver County garbage trucks.
Oh, I never knew Schroeder Industries did all that.
What are you guys talking about?
We're playing a manufacturing game. Do you want to play?
Yeah, what character should I be? Well, let's go check it out.
Choose your character. Choose your character. Choose your character. Choose your character.
Wow, I didn't know there were so many career opportunities at Schroeder Industries. So we still need to figure out what's so cool about manufacturing. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's go play.
I think great about manufacturing is I can take solid materials and turn it into something like this. It's a prototype part for a stuff drive.
What's so cool about manufacturing?
I like the fast pace. I like to work with my hands, and just to take a pile of parts and turn it into something that actually works is very satisfying.
Wow, that new Among Us 2.0 game was so cool.
I know, I learned so much about manufacturing in Schroeder Industries.
It's a lot better than TikTok.
We should get more people to play. Come on, guys, let's go.
Over the course of the last week, people from all over southwestern PA and beyond went online to view the work of the students, but also to vote for their favorites for the Viewer's Choice Award. And as a reminder, if you have not watched the student videos yet, you can do so at what'ssocool.org. The school with the second most cast votes was Moon Team 1. And our first place award for the Viewer's Choice goes to Butler. Let's watch their videos.
Work hard, care harder. This is the motto that every worker follows at Elwood City Forge. This company is not just a steel manufacturing company, but a family.
I think I actually just let the CEO in the building yesterday, and he stopped and said hi and knew my name. So that's something you can't really get in a lot of other big companies.
So family oriented. So I really enjoy working with what I consider my Elwood City family.
The members at Elwood City Forge are dedicated and always looking for ways to improve upon the manufacturing process and better fit each of their customers' needs. Since 1910, Elwood City has made products for the aerospace industry, the mining and coal industry, military equipment, and structures that you can find in cities across America. Steel is an industry that is constantly evolving from different ways to produce and different ways to use. Elwood City Forge, a company that is constantly changing and reinvesting in their money to meet their customers' needs and wants, has always had this in mind.
We're a long-standing, we are not a fly-by-night type of forging company. We're here for the long haul.
You may not have heard of Elwood City Forge before, but chances are their products have benefited you in some way. The steps to making these products and process possible include the metal that is heated in furnaces that reach temperatures above 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The metal is then shaped by giant robotic tongs from a press booth. The metal is then cooled and goes through several cleaning and polishing processes.
That's why we go through orders with fine-tooth combs to make sure, we have all of the T's crossed and the I's dotted before a product even gets made.
But what's amazing to me is how every little step in the process matters.
What has Elwood City Forge done to make manufacturing cool?
It's been 110 years that we've been in business. We're looking forward to the next 110 years.
Elwood City isn't just a factory, it's a legacy that lives on in every person that is a part of Elwood City Forge. Not the kind of a legacy that solely relies on its past, but pushes to exceed the future by working as one. This forging company shows that manufacturing is a blend of the past and the future. but is driven by a family bond that will forever remain present.
Our next category is for Best Promotion. For this award, we asked the schools to report out what they did to promote their videos leading up to and during the week of voting. A heavy emphasis was placed on thinking outside of the box in promoting their video in the community. The Best Promotion Award goes to Elizabeth Forward.
Manufacturing for a greater cause. Stellar Precision Components is a manufacturer of high precision, hence the name. With nearly 40 years of experience, Stellar embraces the very latest aerospace machining and inspection technologies.
So Stellar Precision actually started in 1978. So we got quite a history of manufacturing what we actually do here. Our primary contracts are defense and aerospace related. So a lot of what we do is designed to go into missile systems, weapon systems, aerospace systems like Northrop Grumman, Aerojet Rocketdyne, Lockheed Martin are some of our primary customers.
They stand ready to meet all of their customers' needs. Stellar is always looking to learn more about their customer and what they want in order to improve and adapt to make sure they can meet their needs. They love a challenge. Stellar can also excel at figuring things out that most other aerospace companies are not able to. Stellar was originally formed in 1978 by its former president, Mike Vucic Sr. Lori V. Albright is now the current owner. Using a variety of machines such as CNC mills, a CNC mill uses a drill bit along a horizontal plane to make precise cuts. They also use CNC lathes that spin the object to make perfect circular parts.
Since we have quality regulations and there's different registration houses that you have to work to maintain clearance on, and that comes with an expense. And I'm not sure if that's a concept that's, it was new to me when I got into manufacturing.
All of Stellar's experience ties to their success in all other segments they serve. They are committed to quality in everything they do at Stellar.
Speaking of promotion, let's take a quick promotional break. If you have not already done so, go into any of the app stores and download our 2 manufacturing mobile games, Cube Cut and Mech Life. These games provide an opportunity to learn about careers in manufacturing while having fun with interactive puzzle games. Do you have what it takes to work in manufacturing? Find out by downloading our games for free today.
We are down to our last 2 awards. The winners of the Best Manufacturing Message showcased what modern manufacturing looks like, the highly technical skills required for careers, and a great use of interviews from their partnering company. This category was so incredibly hard for our judges to determine this year that we even added a 3rd place. Our 3rd place winner is Laurel Highlands with New S. Our 2nd place winner is Peters Township with DMI Companies. And our 1st place winner is Butler Team 1 with Mecco. Now let's check out their videos.
Soybeans. You probably don't think about them very often, but they're in many products that you use every day. From popular foods to biodiesel fuels, these small beans are quite versatile. But did you know that soybeans are also revolutionizing the field of biomedical manufacturing?
Hi, this is Joe Connell. I'm the CEO and founder of a company that manufactures human skin, and we make it from soybeans. And it's never been done before, but we are taking protein out of soybeans and manufacturing a human skin. Really, the goal of this is to help as many people as possible. One of the case studies that really impacted us was a 10-year-old male in Connellsville that was burned over 30% of his body, and his right leg was burned to the bone. He was never supposed to walk again. And to rebuild that leg in Connellsville, at the time a country hospital, they took 360 deep circles of skin from his thigh to rebuild that leg. And This hits home because that burn victim was me. If our liquid skin were available now or then, we could have prevented a lot of the pain, because that was 360 new wounds, 360 new scars, and pain and suffering that I plan to alleviate as often as possible. So why did I get into this? To help people. Human skin that we've already tested and published in science journals heals a full thickness wound with minimal to no scarring.
New West has an ever-growing list of partnerships to identify the possible uses for their product. Scientists at Carnegie Mellon are currently researching how the omega skin can be used in transplant surgeries. Meanwhile, researchers at the University of Pittsburgh are working with the U.S. Army to conduct a burn study that would counter the need of skin grafting as a burn treatment. New West is currently starting the Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, approval process to secure the right to sell their product. Once they receive FDA approval, then they will implement a plan to work with wound clinics, hospitals, and nursing homes whose patients would greatly benefit from the product around the world.
But our manufacturing is cool because I don't know where to point you to find someone else making skin from soybeans in Fayette County.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to engrave this paper with this laser.
That's not how it works.
Well, then how does it work?
Let me show you.
Nothing is impossible. If you dream it, you can make it a reality. And that is what MECO does. It makes dreams come true. MECO is an ultra-modern manufacturing company that provides lasers and other engraving machines to larger companies so that they can better manufacture their own products. Smaller manufacturing companies like MECO are crucial to the success of larger companies that we see every single day. The lasers that MECO produces allows companies to label the different components of these bigger products. Without manufacturers like MECO, these companies would not be able to provide the services they do on a daily basis.
MECO makes dreams possible. People literally come to us with the craziest ideas of doing things, and we come up with a way to package it and deliver it back to the customer.
MECO strives to do the best they can to provide for the manufacturing community, their customers, and their employees. Not only do they provide the product to their customers, but do so in a comprehensive manner with the intent of finding a solution to a problem from the beginning to the end.
They're really looking for someone to partner with them to develop that solution and allow them to gain the efficiencies, the productivity that they're looking for in their manufacturing process.
As for their employees, MECO provides a comfortable work environment that encourages employees to take an active role in solving the problem. The company's effort to make everyone satisfied helps employees and customers move forward and continue to make the community a better place.
We're all in it for the same goal, even when we involve a customer. So not just MECO employees, we have that same culture and same attitude when we approach our customers. We want to work together as a team to come up with a solution and build something that works for them.
Even though you might see these small businesses as just that, they are more than what they seem. They are a community of strong people that come together to achieve a common goal.
You can start with an idea and see it through to something that's actually physical.
This is why MECO is so great. They make a huge impact in spite of their size. MECO is a strong team of people that come together every day to create machines to accomplish the common goal of making the community the best they can. This is what is so cool about manufacturing.
And our last award for the evening, the best overall video. This winning school is chosen from among all of the participants as the best all-around video. The winning video has quality video production, a clear manufacturing message, student voice, creativity, and is aimed at the primary audience, other students. And the winner this year of the best overall video goes to Peters Township with DMI Companies. On behalf of the team from Catalyst Connection, thank you again for all of your hard work on the videos this year. To all the students, to all the teachers, we really appreciate all of your hard work. And congratulations once again to all of the award winners this evening. That concludes our program for this evening. Thank you very much for joining us this evening and cheering on the students.
Congratulations.
Everybody. Have a good night. See you.